Good morning, Tatanan. Busy grade pa din eh.
Busy grade. We have measures and ordinances without the welfare of the superintendent's peace and prosperity, and the public service of self as guided principle of the official acts, and as a thread of public social legislation, may God might guide my mind and heart, and shall be true.
Morning again. The chair observes that everybody is present. So move to program the chair declares the presence of a quorum. Let us proceed to the reading of the minutes of the 19th regular session last November 17. And I presume everybody has a copy of the minutes, and also everybody has received the soft copy in advance. We practice ba na? Yes.
Mr. Chair,
Kagawan Balingkod is recognized.
I move to dispense with the reading of the minutes, Mr. Chair.
Ini sikat the motion, tulis sa Kagawan. So, any rejection, there's none, motion is carried. While the reading is dispensed, please go over the minutes before approving for a few seconds or just to review the minutes. Kagawan Bagir is recognized.
May I move for the adoption of the minutes of the
And
review session.
Ini second to the motion, the seconded mas seconded, and almost everybody raised their hands. So motion is approved. Any matter arising from the minutes? If there is none, let us proceed to item number 7, question R. For privileged speeches, Kagawan, the case is recognized.
Good morning, Tatanan. Ako galing nasunti ni Mayor Mas Mayo ng mapaabot mo din sa Sabyang Bayan aron mo natay likod mo iniusang anyo sa atong ikip aron ma-priority sa paturupunta niya to ko sa atong police station kay ditanaw ko sa duha ka kriminal na nagimo nadakpan dito sa ubuhan o dito sa Calatrava kay nahunay bawan ika-upat nga uswan dito sa Ibo. Para nag-istorya mi sa mga pulis, nakita ko na ako ang kahintang na tungkol sa problema nila ang ilahang CR. Nihanyo sila na mahimuon ta ma-priority kay ang ilahang CR parado niya kung kasi aron ang ilahang piniriso ilahang pagawason di man mahimo kung kapusasan kay CR man wala na tungod sa kadelikado sa duwa wala ilahang bantayan kay handog siya na ibaw tanan nga kanang usa mo kadelikado nga piniriso diha kanang mabuwang tanawon balandaan nimo murag handog na tungod sa way lugar sa iyang lawas na way kato wala nga nihanyo sila o mahimo ta mahatagan sila o gawaing budget nga madali unta tungod kay ang CR nila parado wala na inanyo sila sa Munyang Bayan ano unta sila ni Mayor o mahimo ma-priority nila ma-priority na to kay na kung sila yung kwarta dinhi sa NGO di man bubugot ang atong accountant mo gamiton na sila yung kwarta na 41,000 porsyento sa ilahang pagtanako kaya naman na sila 25% wala na mahanyo ako nagama na to resolution na ito niya ni Mayor para ma-priority po ni Mayor kay kita ko puno ang problema na delikado doon kay labilaan ng mga priso na ikaupat na most wanted sa tibuok Pilipinas.
Ito kamilan na, ilang case?
Ilan case. And you.
So, it is moved by Kagawad the case for this body to pass a resolution requesting the local chief executive to provide assistance or funds for the immediate repair of na siya? Of the
Construction sa ilang CR sa likod sa ilang perisyon.
construction.
Unay na ba? Unay na magawas.
I think should be budget also.
Mr. Chair,
Kagawad.
ako yung question ng tao na kaya na itong accountant na anong hindi pwedeng gamitin ang ilang porsyento na 41,000? Supplies kung may nakabutang, hindi siya na yung supplies na nakabutang sa korta, di pala yung pwede turhol. Aron may gamiton. Aron gadali magka sila ang problema kaya delikado na mag-save. Di ba nakalikay mo sila kadalaw? Kung aron ma-expedite ang construction sa ilahan siya. Ayaw ko na aron gawa na ito resolution requesting sa atong certificate.
I think gandong sa kung supply ang ikutan, kailangan ordinance to the align. From supply to it is not maintenance. Kaya manali ko maintenance. Kaya maintenance kaya maguna sa
Guys, ang nahitabo sa CR nila na sila CR daan. So, naay nagriso ko ng buang ana ato nga time ipagpaslatan mo dili taas naman na o kalkalon pa na nila mas dako o maguba kaya abot sila ng kusina o pagitaw nila so karon na sila buho likod doon mismo sa building kay ilang ipalayoutan na sa mga piniriso sa baba na sila halong lang huwag o gamay siminto o kabilya na ang ibon mo eh.
Ano sila building sa soldaan, siya?
Oo na.
Sold sa Perisuan. Kamay na, kuha na.
Kamay na.
Bawang na lang na.
Hindi. Kaya ito lang hagdan sa
kamay na ha? Mon, wato ka sa accounting? Sila
Retrieval na meron sa opisina.
sa
Retrieval na yung tanang ordinance.
ordinance niya sa ordinance na.
Itong nahay
Hindi na 20%, no? Katong part 1 is itong share sa pension.
25% nila.
At 25%?
Lamang binibutang ato.
25% nila.
Dili ito 20%.
Binibutang ato para asara.
25% eh. Sa share sa F1. Ordinance ka na siya. Dili na siya.
Ordinance.
Laking mayo.
Bitaw mo na ito kay travel. Slide travel.
It's sa ordinance, no? O sa number. So, ato na lang i-discuss na niya or na-resign mo ito sa accounting office or din sa yung validate ito or sa proper
Panahon sa una pa ordinance.
kasi dahil yung source pa. Kagad
I think say parehas ni sa katong release before few months ago kabahin sa katong kuan sabi and sa CR. So that means if we create or if we build another CR sa within the building but outside the cell, kanang i-abandon to siya. So need gihapon mo i-condemn ang katong CR sa so kay actually di mo siya mura o ang how the term before is still livable ang area kay kuan jud kanang ang bowl kana jud kuan dili siya healthy ba kaya kapag gani mo niya nag-cloud open pag yun wala division plus wa pa yung double deck din sa salt nga ang taon nito na ang mga kuan
sa likod sa sila.
Sa pagkakaroon, bakitan magod na mo pag ipagawas ang usa ka piniriso kay lagi yung CR nga dili ba yan na usasan wala nga nagkinanglan sila o personel sa pulis doon nga mga tulong nga matong kay hadlok sila o takas sa kung kanang usa ay
simple lang kayo ba? Light,
Lumon ka,
sa mga kayo.
Lumon, sige.
We will defer the discussion on that later on. Other matters, after ma-research sa atong staff, then impossible i-contact atong accounting office ninyo Edmond. Kung sa gyo'y proper way. Ang question nga nimo Edmond, mahimo ba kani nga ordinance sa karon dayon atong i-change into construction of CR sa available. Yamin pa na ordinance pa na dili na resolution. Karon i-discuss ato niya. Diba? Kasi bakante ninyo. Si ex-president nila 30 ang unang question pala na amount dito
41,000
41 unya atong gamang ordinance nga gamiton sa construction of CR. Bangtan lang dito ole bikil. Then I will discuss later on sa other matters na padayon ta. Well, nag-research para complete ba itong decision at other action. Proceed sa napailain. Privilege hour, there's not. Let's proceed to the item I, first reading and communications, endorsement.
Number 1, request from the LCE resolution updating the authorized signatories of the municipal government for all bank accounts maintained with City Savings Bank. Go for the resolution is
Tepa, ano naman yung account pa sa City Savings? Loans na to? Kay technically sa Balao dili pwede ang private bank unless walay muna yung naluwi ba sa FCB kay naanay kung dito ang FCB define na sila nahatagan silang share gihapon kay because walay ka ng bangko na gobyerno sa mga lungsod sila may authorize yan na may ilang bank dito kung saan sa issue na of course, lamang po isuportahan ng FCB kay local bank. Mana siya, no? So, kani account ni mga loan ni siya. Kaya dili ni deposit, kaya dili na technical na kay government funds should be in government banks man. So, bahin na sa mga so, nakabasa mo ang manager ko na niya police ng Batuan. Support ko dito, basta legal. Okay. I think everybody understood the purpose of mga loans sa City Savings. Mas motion? No objection? There's none? Approve?
Number 2, endorsement from the LC requesting to adopt the PAPS plan for CY 2026.
Di ba nag-approve na tayo? Wala? The chairman of the committee on peace and order, as well as vice chairman, any comment to this? Wala man nakabasaan eh. Or you want to, ang atong PAPS plan of public order and public safety plan? What is the, so, importante ni kayo. No, pero I presume nga, i-discuss na sa peace and order council sa committee. Maunay basihan sa atong peace and order plan. Usually, na ang GILG ganito sa mag-explain kung pero na-review na dito, I think isa ka doon na-discuss na ito dito sa baru kayak bawa anak technical. PAPS plan tanong ini sa refer this to the committee urgent ba niya? Dili mapod 2026 pa. So refer to the committee on peace and order. Para ma-discuss, no? Ang importante lang ang PAPS plan musibok sa ang nasunod sa atong budget na sa PAPS plan. Mukha ko nag-EIP.
2 million.
O na i-check, no? All plano sa peace and order, public safety na rin eh. Nunya, wala yung patas ang budget. This is 2026 man eh. So, okay lang, we still have time. Dili po the urgent, kaya this will be for 2026. Akong mag-review, committee on peace and order. Sa gusto niyong partner. Wala, report to the committee on peace and order for further discussion. Yan. Tanawa lang ninyo sa budget kung atong paano dito ang tanan nga nasa budget. Tama magkapitanan sa budget lang. Sa peace and order, dapat musod sa PAPS plan ang budget sa peace and order. Let's proceed to committee report number. We have committee report number 24, Joint Committee on Appropriation and Market and Agriculture. Who will present the report? Appropriation, Market, and Agriculture.
Mr. Chair.
Agawang you is recognized.
May I present the committee report number 24?
Do we have a copy? Everybody has a copy of that? Okay. Sige.
Thank you. Name of Committee, Joint Committee on Appropriation, Market and Agriculture, dated meeting November 20, NUST Session Hall. Present, Ms. Marie Flor Pagador, Ms. Mariata Pinada, Ms. Esther Macias, Mr. John Carl Salido, Honorable Justice Joy Bagyo, Honorable Candido Celses, and Honorable Martin Pancho. Subject matters, number 1, fixing the rate of water system as amendment and endorsed by the LCE and the Market Committee. Number 2, Barangay Ordinances of Rosario 1, 2, and 3 series of 2025. And number 3, fixing the rate of job orders, consideration of SSS and PAG-IBIG premiums. Discussion summary. The Joint Committee convened to deliberate on the matters referred to the body. The following items are presented, discussed, and evaluated. Amendment on water system rates. The committee reviewed the proposed updated guidelines submitted by the municipal treasurer, focusing on transparency, fairness, and efficiency in the implementation of charges under the proposed amendment to the water system rates, specifically on Article 3 of the revised revenue code. The following key provisions were discussed. As addendum, letter G, water meter replacement. The water works shall maintain a budget for the replacement of damaged water meters with the requirement that only ever brand water meters be purchased. A fee of 2,000 pesos shall be charged for every damaged water meter. Consumers may choose either full payment or installment for the replacement cost, 1,800 for one-time full payment and 500 pesos per month for 4 months under installment. A 20% penalty shall be applied if the consumer fails to pay within the scheduled month. Letter H, addendum, reporting of damages and leakages. Any water leakage within the premises of the household or any damage occurring after the water meter connection point shall be the responsibility of the resident/consumer. Consumers must report such damages within 3 days of the discovery to the Waterworks office. Letter I, adjustment of billing for reported cases. If the consumer reports the concern within the prescribed period, the water bill may be adjusted based on the average consumption of the previous 3 months provided that the water meter is replaced. No adjustment shall be granted for cases not related to water meter issues. Report may be made 3 days shall no longer qualify for adjustment, and the consumer shall be required to pay the actual meter reading in full. Recommendation, a resolution requesting the LFC to allocate funds for the purchase of water meters, a water meter calibrator, and e-track module for the Waterworks system. Mr. Chair.
Continue.
Kasama?
What committee report man, di ba?
Oo, pero different topics altogether.
Kasama doon na. Okay, one report man. Then, as to action, after na. Ang action na to, there are proposals, di ba? We cannot change the committee report kay Humanist Committee. We will not adapt. Hindi na sa motion na to. Pero atong i-consider nga part sa report, then as to action, different actions na later on after married and move.
Number 2, agenda fixing the rates of job orders. The committee deliberated on the necessary adjustments in the job order rates due to the mandatory quote-unquote mandatory deductions for SSS, which is at 760 pesos per month, and pag-ibig, which is amounting to 200 pesos per month, which significantly reduced the job orders employees' take-home pay. To ensure fair and reasonable compensation, the committee evaluated and agreed on the following daily rates. That's why I asked, may I clarify that midwife shall be under professional. So professional and PRC licensed midwives from their 307, it will be amounting to 374 per day. Next is technical, under sa technicals, electrician and IT staff amounting to 374 per day. Next is unskilled, which is heavy equipment operator amounting to 374 per day. Automobile mechanic, 700 per day. Semi-skilled workers, office staff, 326 per day, and drivers, 374 per day. Unskilled workers, utility workers, and laborers at 300 pesos per day. Recommendation, the committee recommends fixing the job order rates as presented and ensuring that job order workers receive their wages with only the mandatory pag-ibig contribution of 200 pesos be deducted. In other words, dili na mag-deduct for SSS premiums. The committee recommends the drafting of an ordinance fixing the daily rates of job order personnel of the municipality. The HR office shall maintain the list of job order workers who voluntarily choose to continue paying SSS contributions or authorize corresponding deductions. Only the pag-ibig contribution shall remain mandatory. The HR office shall maintain the list of job order provisions. Number 1, job order workers shall receive their wages in full with only pag-ibig deduction reflected in their payroll and payslip. Number 2, SSS contributions
shall be purely voluntary and handled individually by the concerned job order. Number 3, recommendations for second reading and ordinance fixing the rates of job order personnel of the local government unit of Batuan Bohol, and an ordinance amending section SE dot point 0.01 Article E of Municipal Ordinance Number 29, Series of 2022, otherwise known as the Revenue Code of the Municipality of Batuan. Third item, Barangay Ordinances of Resoriuhan Numbers 1, 2, and 3, Series of 2025. The committee reviewed the above barangay ordinances to determine their conformity with existing municipal and national laws. Their purpose, scope, and overall impact on the community were assessed, minor revisions were noted, and the ordinances were approved. This is pertaining to MAFLER ordinance, MAFLER, anti-rabies, and curfew ordinances. Not anti-rabies, sorry. Stray dogs regulation. So, i-adopt na siya. All of these 3 ordinances can serve as complementing the municipal ordinances. So, for example, sa MAFLER, ang kanong stray dogs, natatay Samao. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, good one. By the way, ako i-clarify, no? Sa kanatay common understanding. Ang committee report, we cannot change the committee report sa committee. Kaya committee man Ako ibutan sa part of the report. But, kung sabot lang araw natay common pa, pag-propose na nila, apubahan ba na ito lang recommendation, yan na mag-discuss. Like this one. Atong yan na part of the report, we cannot change ilang is committee, whatever committee it is. Gawas kong committee of the whole. Kay atong review. Then dili ni sayo sa committee karon ha. Ako lang na observe karon pa po na observe kay mo itong practice. Naman tayo 8 to 9. 8 to 9 nga bakante. Mahimo ko. Actually sa technically klase ko dai. Kana bang No? Sige. Asa tarapit, the committee is considered part of, na naman kaya sa akin ha? Considered part of the report of the ESP, and we will tackle the proposed action sa committee at the pleasure of the chairman. Katong first
So first recommendation on the fixing rate of water system amendments recommendation as stipulated under proposed ordinance number 26. Everyone also has been furnished a copy.
Ordinance number 26. Okay.
The content of the ordinance were the same content I read earlier during the committee report, Mr. Chair.
Okay. By the way, this is for first reading.
First reading.
Ako lang first reading, ako lang kay boss sa committee, no? Kanang dawat lang later ni former kagawad o Pincio Tigamon. Ano sa to? Balik-balik, kadua, kadawat. After that, I studied the law na ang iagad is there should be public hearing in case of charges. Bakit ba to? Ano ito ganun? Siguro ba ito niya? Ang badili. Kasi 2 man siguro ka-leaders. One? Ha? Lagi o niya. Inyo na i-consider sa committee nga itong paper asan yung committee nga para di tama technical. Kaya the question was, I think, dapat public hearing sa gym. Ako lang ipag-remind na ni kay katubag ko kadawat og later ang pag-rally man gud katubadano din dati ano na ako later ni then I give to the committee
According to Ramsey and Attorney Pintanita, during our Mrs. Matthew training for 1 week, public hearing or okay lang ako mga nakuha ng tao or pinagkatao dito kung nagsasari na.
What mo tamin mo kay we cannot force the public, of course. We cannot force the public to attend. Ang importante lang is you announce nga there's public hearing. We cannot force the public to join. Ang importante nga there's minutes nga there's public hearing. Dili na kinahanglan o. Buhay pakialam ang mga tao sa na to. The point is to make imposition of tax and revenues and fees valid, which is provided sa local government code na public consultation, public hearing. Ang public hearing na siya ako pala balik. Kung ang publiko, mayroon nga dili niya na, pero sa atong tanaw maayong padayon na. Pero as politicians, negative na ng politicians, as representative of the people, mo listen to people, mo explain po sa nila nga, maumag yun ay kinahanglan ka naman yung opinion nga popular, pero dili po musibo sa onsite sakto. Ato na ng obligation, ato na ng risko, kung mantas mo ng tao sa eleksyon, magpili sila kasi mo pagod, pero maminaw ta, pero dili again, kung nagtuta, convinced ta, nga sakto ta, pwede ta insist. Kung magpasabot sa mga tao, pwede po ta maminaw. Ang point is, requirement sa imposition of tax and fees ng tunay public hearing, mga hindi, nga. And sakto to, public hearing, bisag usay mo na, basta nag-notify ka sa publiko, Mr. Holder, ang di man mingunog na agyo na, nag-notify ka sa publiko.
Mr. Chair, in relation to this proposed ordinance involving fees, may I move to conduct a public hearing on this proposition?
Okay. Mas ganda or any objections?
Jose Secretary Jose Tatalong sa ito. Mayroon pa naman.
Under the committee, the same committee, Water Works Committee, chaired by
Public Enterprise na
Public Enterprise Commission. Sige. To be set by the committee chairman with our secretary. Again, no, maminaw tas mga tao kayo, manatuli pa sa mga na sila, kinahanglan, naipog na sila. Nalay, klaro. Then, Okay? And that is part of the first reading and continuation of the hearing. We get to the Committee on Economic Enterprise for first reading, public hearing, and then second reading and final hearing. Huwag man kayo, gusto na ito sakto mag-reading na amendment sa atong water services, may improvement, may maayo ang water services yung nga tibanon. Yung po, tinuod nga yan. Ang revenue, what is this? Economic enterprise to serve for well sa mga tao. Kagawad ba yun? Next recommendation.
Next recommendation under the said committee report on the 3 ordinances, barangay ordinances of Rosario numbers 1, 2, and 3. These 3 ordinances, an ordinance imposing curfew hours within the territorial jurisdiction of Barangay Rosario Batang Bohol and providing penalties for violation thereof. An ordinance regulating the stray dogs in Barangay Rosario Batang Bohol and providing penalties for violation thereof. And an ordinance regulating the use of improvised muffler within the territorial jurisdiction of Barangay Rosario Batang Bohol and providing penalties for violation thereof. The recommendation of the committee is to recommend for the approval as these ordinances have been deemed valid.
This is only a resolution or not an ordinance. That is a motion. Inisikat to the motion. Julie. Second first. My second. Conservative ordinances. Julie seconded by second ka palingkod. And tulo na ba mo? Masikandid na lang. Discussion. Kaya ninaghan.
Mr. Chair, I believe na may ordinance sa bayan na modified muffler.
Ordinances, during it was a comprehensive committee report, during the said committee discussion, the ordinances, as I mentioned earlier, have been in conformity and in accordance with the existing municipal ordinance. So the said deeming of these 3 ordinances as valid is in relation to the municipal ordinances. So ginaon siya sa barangay and para, for example, let's say stray dogs. Ang stray dogs na municipal ordinance na mag-create ang mga barangay o respective committees to handle such. It is in line with all of these 3 ordinances are in line with the municipal ordinances. So basically to localize. We have pulled up the copies of the municipal ordinances and reviewed it with the department chairs na to.
So akong pagsabot, akong opinion lang kung bata ako sabot ani kay this is na humana matag-utar dapat na akong pagsabot ani kung mag-enforce sila ilahan nga ordinance ilang gamiton. Kung atong mga tao mag-enforce atong ordinance, kaya kailangan mo tao niya ang province mag-enforce sila po ng ordinance. Pero still
national sila po. Kaya ini magod siya, it is also to ganang income to generate income sa ilang barangay. First offense is 200 pesos, second is 300, third offense is 500 pesos. Ang head ani is ang punong barangay together with the tunnels. But it is naamay sa ito ang enforcement ani kung sa municipal level ang enforce, ang municipal level ang ordinances ang
Mr. Chair, our question is, do they have the manpower to conduct dog catching sa barangay level? Importante na ba na? Makasalipid ang tara sila itawag ito.
Actually, it was recommended by Maricor Pagador. She actually deemed this ordinance helpful and she's recommending to the other barangays to do the same with the barangay Rosariman kay hindi ko nung matabang o palangitan gabihin ato pa pulis na to para manakot o ilo kaya ang kabutang sa municipal ordinance ang police may nakakapacity together with the personnel sa MAO sila may mo enforce patungkol na rin ordinance maka-localize na siya. As to naa sa Dagat Tower, iagi man po ni o public hearing and iagi po siya o kanang voting sheet. So I believe mga members sa households, they agree and kaya nakapit-attend sa ilang public hearing.
What I mean, Mr. Chair, is vaccinated ba ilang mga tao naman ako? So, nasa po
I think atong i-request ang atong MAU nga it provide assistance dito para ma-equip atong mga barangay. No, ang model ang kusagaran siguro nga ipatrain sila dito for that aron under it as presented by Kagawad Badyo favorable ang recommendation sa atong MAU kay magkagaan nila. So ipatrain na lang yun na ito nga qualified ko tabangan.
Napay question sa equipments. Sa
Equipments. So,
I
I will consider that gagawat palikod na sa
recommendations.
motion to recommend the MAU to assess, provide assistance so that the duplexers of each barangay. The barangay with ordinance
At least,
shall be equipped and qualified.
at least,
Mas ganda. Okay. Ibalin, madam? We are not really on our duty nga gagamit na nila dapat equip and qualified sila. Kagawad ba?
Mr. Chair, ang ilang third offense is ang pag-utang naman po sa ero din so mo nga pag-anak din Ma'am Flores so for ha, alin na po din yung ilagay sa kanyang municipal level nga mura o initially she wanted it nga mga ang barangays yung makapacitate kay kung mamove na po din wala pa tayo may butanganan so laghan pa kayo ang process so and yeah, I agree with Mr. Chair that this would be like a model and implementor in Bantay Sarihan for the dogs.
That is magkaibigan sa itong MAU. Okay. Next recommendation.
Thank you. Number 3, subject matter, fixing the rate of job orders, conservation of SS and pag-ibig premiums. So, it is also being translated into the proposed ordinance number 25, which everyone has a copy of it. So basically, it only narrates all the job order categories according to professional, nurse, midwives, technical, skilled workers, semi-skilled, unskilled. This is in relation to our job orders complaint with regards to quote-unquote mandatory reduction of SSS. So it is being recommended during the committee hearing that the mandatory reduction shall only apply for pang-ibig contribution amounting to 200 pesos. However, SSS contributions can be treated as voluntary.
We will refer to the proper committee kasi mandala na yung committee. Ay, na po yung nakita ko, no? Kani kay sa mga privilege man nila si appeal ang ilahang what is this sa public hearing ninyo ang mga affected. What is the name of the group? Employees union or na sila? Kaya ako nakita ani gamay ka kaya ni heavy equipment operator. Dili siya kasunod. In fact, na problema tani the heavy equipment operator nag-handle na siya 1 million bako and grader. Ang tractor na to, 500 niya, heavy equipment operator, is 74. Dili full fair ba? Dili siya fair nga ano niya. Martin, what happened to the grader of the LGU murder? Oh, siya nagkatula na. Kay naproblema gud ka o handle. Sa ubang mga contractor kani, na-desecrate sila kung mupagit na bigay additional benefit. 9 per hour, nasa lang basic, pero dili mag-unisip sa yon. Dili mahimo ang imuhang grader o bako na mahalong siya, imong isalig lang sa kinsa. Mas mo na pinakamahal na to nga equipment. Mura siya, dili fair nga imong ipareha sa driver o sa mas lako pa ang tractor operator kaysa equipment. Consider lang ninyo na. When discussing this one, what committee, we will refer this to the proper committee for first reading. Konsulta ninyo ang mga apektado. Ang natinhi, isa matong natinhi nga representative of the job order. Wala, no? Sa committee hearing kay Juan Pamani, proposal Pamani. So, what committee issue kagawan kalingkod?
Mr. Chair, my observation is that during the committee hearing, iha si Mamayla Ibas.
O sa budget. O sa budget. Pero hindi siya astikol, o hindi siya affected. Juan Mani, ganang committee sa committee, pero as to the ordinance, just like the other, di man yung resolution, no? Kaya itong usap sa trade.
So sa committee hearing na naging
The committee hearing was on.
committee na pro.
Sa man yung committee hearing ano eh?
Apro. Maganda yung nag-culture nito. Joint committee hearing nito.
At very good, the orders.
Committee report. Operation market agriculture.
So, unsa na mga reading karon? Still first.
First reading pa na
Wala pa ni under what committee is this?
operation.
Incendiary. Kagawa. Dampo. So before the second reading, kagawa, this is part of the second reading or
First reading.
first reading? I-consult ko no ang mga apektado yung
LFC.
sektor, no? Ako lang nakita ani dili siya reasonable. Heavy equipment operator. Ang kaning motor mechanic sa mekaniko ni siya.
Mr. Chair, explanation sa heavy duty equipment, although I agree na, of course, it's the most prized proper equipment that we are having, but ang explanation sa tumawa is because dili magpuno all year round sila. So, mo na nga average by averaging mo ni nga
Dili siya mo part from gini.
Oh, may explanation. But as to the rates na i-specify it was recommended by the Mayor's Office through Esther de Macias because during also the second meeting, Kyra of HR, she was representative also. Although, kanang nindot po na paon yun ang direct, kanang
Kaning automobile mechanics.
Mr. Chair, I believe kaning mechanic na to, naman tayo mga mandatory positions na wala ipag-create ni Mayor na may recommendations ikan sa HR. Appeal ang mekaniko sa item na i-create. So, masunod din na masunod din. Kinahalan to sa rating na o kalimutan sa listahan. Dili.
Anyway, diha ang accounting office ani ang naman ato kasulti ng sekretary kung nakay idea natuloy ko nimo sa other ones mo abot ani rate na the order. Di anay sulti sa atong I don't have any idea sa legal basis nga kung saka na ni dapat contract na rin na job order. Ang atong ordinance is fixing the rate of job order.
The reason for such ordinance is basically on the premium of the SSS because kada naging mandatory na deduct ang SS. So to safeguard them na mahimong voluntarily, that's why it's being fixed through the ordinance na ang pag-ibig premium na deduct. As to the rates, it was not really adjusted pa because these are rates that are deemed considerably enough para sa accountant. So if we go beyond this,
The rate here is 700 for the automobile mechanic na Asia. Ang information na natawag is once mutaas na siya, dili na siya pwedeng job order. And the ordinance is job order, fixing the rate of job order. Pero ang kwento na ako is the committee chairman can discuss with the proper office sa gawin. Ang nahitabo ka na nato, no? Sa ako kay Mayor, doon ka ordinance ang i-approve sa Kulay Bayan, may consultation dito, appeal ko perma, sige kusog-kusog ka tao, tuyok-tuyok, kaya dito. Unya, mapangga ta. So, what should we have that again? Nga namang dili konsulta nito nga okay ba ni? Kay magkakaroon na conflict kay mga anak ko may part na o dili maayo nga approve the SB, approve the mayor, usbon. We are the decision maker. How to avoid that?
Mr. Chair,
Consultation dito na.
si Honorable Panchol, yun kung iguhit kanina yung siya nga pag-move ba nga invite ang ito ang accountant in view of legislation. Ako yung pag-move. Nga siya ba dapat? So, kami na lang, ha? Okay ba?
Ang komite na napamanis committee level. Dito ka sa atong plinay at invite ko lang. At dili po ta kapugol sa tuloy. We can request the mayor to the accountant to attend. We do have subpoena power.
Di mo kanina, ang tenor is not also to bypass the mayor na through the municipal mayor. Kaya if the municipal mayor says otherwise, iha kung iguhit kanina, ako nga, ako niyang siya.
Ang ganyan, nag-observe ka sa swilo naman tayo later sa accountant na gawin niya na after wax siya sa ako lang nag-remind lang ko nga maunay possible nga makita ko kung bila yung decision. So, ang committee chairman, while nagkandag pa sa second reading, we can request the accounting office and hindi kung okay pa din para sa final reading, may mo invite ng accountant, may mo request ka nga nagkakadir na approving ordinance pagkabot dito, ano po conflict kay dili inaprobahan.
Mr. Chair, thank you. Kanang punta-tawag sa naming auto-mechanic kay just to keep this ordinance moving because the intention of this is dili makakasan ng 726. Our job orders have been dealing so much already with the 726 pesos kantas for SS.
726.
Ikatasan na itong, 750 din yun, no?
750.
Per month, SS.
Minsan ka, minsan.
So, ang SS ba yan? Check.
Kamay lang. Kanang mandatory ang is dapat din sa kinahanglan din ordinance.
Maura na yun. Maura na yun. Kaya request for a recess.
Kaya, okay. Second hearing and final hearing. Depende na ninyo. Okay.
Mr. Chair, diba
Isum na na? Isum na na? Kung kumining isum sa kanang isum kagawad paling ko.
Mr. Chair, since this is na season first reading, yan ako man sa committee level, may request our committee chairman to conduct committee hearing on this one. Ang mapits ko na ito kung sa ibaton sa mechanic, pila-adjustment ito sa sweldo, kaya ang 26 na ito i-adjust last year o last term, hindi naman makakover. Kung mag-propose na nag-adjust na 26 pesos para makakover nila ang SSS na premiums. Kaya 38 naman ka, i-committee hearing po mga accountant na ang budget officer, kung kaya na ito mag-increase ng 38 pesos nila, ato i-increase to 38 pesos, i-38 na, ano mag-cover ang ilang SS? Kung may purpose ang 26 pesos na yan po na ito last term.
Please, Chairman.
Kung may mitan na ito sa budget o si accountant, kung masukot sila ng 38 pesos, atong i-implement ng 38 pesos na increase. Mahimo ng 338, hindi na 36.
Bagyo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Noted, Kagawan Palingkod. And please take note, the Chairman.
For the purpose, thank you, Mr. Chair. For the purpose of why this proposed ordinance has been brought upon, may I recommend to the body and to Honorable Palito that the increase, the proposed increase and proposed rate for automatic mechanic be take off the list of the proposed ordinance to be able to accommodate the request of our job orders to, if they can voluntarily contribute to SSS instead of mandatory deduction from their payroll. So may I move?
In fact, we can pass a resolution to that immediately.
May I move to suspend the rules so that we can move this to second reading?
By the way, no? Madam Secretary, nama sa ordinance nga SSS na? This is for, wala man sa, wala sa itong discussion. Any comment, further discussion? Pleasure of the body in relation to the motion to make SSS contribution voluntary, and there is, so this is for second reading, subject for second reading under the Committee on Appropriation, but there's a concern from Kagawan Baguio and Palington and Division of the Body. Pleasure of the body. Motion na katong diri sa putaran to, ang kaniha.
Mr. Chair, I move to call attention on maybe the attendance of the commissioners of representative from the LPO, UBO, the accountant's office, mayor's office, and then
This
from MPO na.
with the request to the mayor.
I included also the in charge for the remittance to the SSL Pag-ibig. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Next session.
Next session naman.
Masikan din. And with that is the request to the mayor to issue an order for these persons who have appeared during this decision. Kayo kawa, Gigi? Ha?
Yes, ako na gusto niya yung mayor.
Okay. Then, any proceed to the next item. Discuss naman eh, focus ordinance. Other matters. Then you discuss yung kagawa din.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair. Like EIP from LTMO, Mr. Chair, 5% 6,774,719.50, 7% 4,742,30341, 30% 2,032,415,75. So, okay ba o inyo ba unuran ako ba i-try o mo for approval, Mr. Chair? Sibo pa po ni sa gipresentar dito sa bati.
EIP sa
LTRM po.
sa Calamity pa.
Sa Calamity.
So, pleasure, everybody. There's a motion sa kagawa. Pag-use it to next. Seconded. Motion, there's none motion. Ang other concern kaniha,
Katong kalimut si DOT.
okay. DP as a budget available na wala pa. Then, ang report sa atong ang report sa 41,000 is i-check mo kung available ba. Ha? Nagamit na. So, ang issue karon is asa ang funding sa CR. Atong i-appeal na sa SD Municipal Budget Officer available, appeal atong remittance sa next session. Pwede ka tugas ng more funds sa atong nagamit na. Nagamit na niya. Ato na lang invite to ng BNP kung budget officer sa next meeting, nasa naman na rin mo, with ABDC. Ha?
Yapin na naman.
Apil ang BNP, kaya kung ma-kuhan mo ta, actually, kaya na ngayon, supportahan mo ng atong police, no? Kunya, safety ko nila dito. Pero ang the best kaya plano yun, na-agad nila ang imoto sa engineer to present the plan. Kaya kung paano na ito, kaya dili mo mga technical people. So, ang pinsan mo advice, kagawad, palingkod. And, Panso, aduan yung PNP, ipakontak ang engineer to make an estimate, pila man ang pondo, kay lahi ang estimate nga nato ka. Ako mahimotag pilay atong ihatag. Kaya kung dili na nimo siya makinana, mag-gising na punta, pagsunod, igo ka dito sa tiles o sa baon, niya, why ang CR makita ang lubot, problema na punta na. So, there should be proper plan and estimate. Para
na ko ang simana Tugay na. Pero man, importante managado diya sa PNP. Kung ako dito magkakaroon, sinsa ko naman.
Ang undo man na to, undo man. Kagawad pa niyo. Pwede, excuse me, kagawad notice na. Pwede mag-request na, pero still, gaman ka nagtanong kayo, di man tama ka-release kung di man na emergency. Mahimong magkapatawag taniya, pero di man ma-justify yung usugdan kayo di man emergency. You have to look for funds for that.
Magaling, pamana ni Mr. Chair. Sa istorya ni Kagawad
Before, after that.
medyo nahadlok silang mga polis kaya napagay pa din ang larong lawas ng magiging.
Pero ano tayo mahimo anak karon? They have to bear with us and sunod na kay di man gina mahuman. Kunya after ani, wao na siya. Ang the best nga ko na is wao man na siya di man mahimo. Ang ato good facility ni for temporary detention dili ka kanang jail management. Padana siya dito sa Carmen. Nya di na gyud na matabang ron o kana pa siya. Mabuta na palino na gyud na. Pagka sa sunod na gyud ni nga action kay kana dado na dito sa Carmen. Walay taong nag-isod warat gawas o kana bitawng flagrante delicto kana nadakpan unya i-file pa niya dugay pa ang kaso din na kung kanang naay warat gito na sa kuna na may wakante nga
Sa naman ako na naman kita na aron to subat sa mga mga kagay mga dimalas balita ron maglayas na sila tungod na okay takip.
Huwag ato na lang ipatukhang resolution ng kina. Kaya ba tansyon?
Kalau sudah siswa tu kalau mana ofis yang ada dapat nak ada sudah ini kaya meeting ini berkali lagi ini masih sempat nak bila-bila lah kalau mana ofis aku nak nawatan.
Ano yun sa laing topic naman kasi. Okay, dati sa kukuhan kagawad palingkod palihog ko o kanang gigol sa mayor, ikaw na bahala no nga the order of the mayor mumater man nga patilon this is the bad. Thank you kagawad for that. So request ka palingkod nga mo hindi mo coordinate with the mayor. Then
Mr. Chair,
kagawad
recommendation from Local Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Plan 2026 to 2028. I move for approval.
Baga man na. Ini concern sa
Mao po na ang gipresentar nila sa kuan.
anyway, we trust our interim gusto pangsunod mo kayo ato siya.
Kimo po si kuan.
Unless you have concern or gusto mo tuon, we can approve it this next time. O gusto man siya part sa EIP. The first one is
EIP.
Annual Investment Plan. This one is the plan for long. This is medium term, 26 to 28. 2 years plan. Tanan actually subject. Yeah, we're happy nga nani nga ilang present na sila yung iya. Good to have a plan nga sundon. Kaya mag-i-akla sa vision. O gusto mo mabasa before approving, we will approve next time. Okay ninyo labi na ito sa ABC, I think, nag-attend. And the rest nag-attend. Kagawad.
Mr. Chair, may I second the motion of Councilor at least for the
Second din, any objection? Approve? Of course, ang plano ma-amend. We can recommend amendment. Kung gusto tayo, dili pasabot nga i-approve na ito, wala na siya. We can suggest, we can
Mr. Chair,
Kagawad Palito.
the letter from Rizal na nadawat last week, ibalik man ko yan ang isip bagong resolution respect to the request in the Singing Bayan for endorsement request to the whole provincial director of the Philippine National Police, Police Colonel Patricio Cabulatiga Jr. For our report to all previous stockpiled in Barangay Salvador Bohol on December 16, 17 to 8, 2025.
I think lahat na yung resolution solusyon nga di na kinahanglan sa
Kuan Mr. Chair, ang ako na ibawa ang karam sa buwanan sa Clarin, nagsige magpatuwa ang mga barangay, sponsor ang mga barangay, at i-kuan sa buwanan. Wala sila mangayo o solusyon sa SB. Wala namin sila mangayo o pipilitin sa mayor. Gusto na sila sa barracks. Okay man sila. Ito pwede na mag-explain na doon sa barangay Rizal, nag-istorya may naibisig rin yung ito na naman. Aron na-insulate ang SB ko kayo.
Magbase ko sa gimanifest ni Kagawad Joel.
Gusto mo dito.
Kaya kung basihan ko, para di na tama. Kisa may maglihok ka na dahil.
Sila. Ang barangay.
Pero kaya sila permiso po ni. Sa mayor maganda. Mayor maganda.
Pero wala ka para sa Clarin, wala yung mga
At least what an objection ang quote magagunatay. Resolution objecting to that. Ikot ba? What an objection kaya manahan dito.
ato lang i-return ng ilang resolution na yun. Sila maganda ng explanation from ABC. Ngayon ito na lang ang pattern sa pagwa nila.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
So, with the result of that, di ka go directly to the provincial director with the approval of the mayor. Okay? What are
Condition to nil.
Hindi na, wala ka rin.
Verbal na magagawa sila sa barang upan. Kagawan Pancho na recognize.
Attention sa kahit sa Presidencial High School, Mr. Senator, traffic daw ang PDO ka ng musul sa Presidencial. Ang lang ang mga kapit yun ang skila. Ang sige na doon na may siya na sana gano'n siya nagagawa kalipon. Gusto niya mabalik ang PDP po mahuntag ka ng residente mabalik po din kahapon.
Sunod sa resolution. Next is a motion by Kagawan Pancho to request the PNP to man the traffic in the morning and afternoon of Batman National High School. In the second to the motion, Kagawan Baskanded, motion is approved. Nakailaing concern.
Mr. Chair,
Kagawan.
since we have a scheduled continuation for budget hearing this afternoon, pwede ba i-postpone na to next Monday na lang kay mga kamalawang mga mag-red or
Okay, anyway, we have until December. November pa man. Basta ato lang yun, we will try our best to approve this budget within this year. Kailangan Kagawan pa, that is speaking. Noted na
Kapag isa na yung hapon, unification, one ka na yung communication, invitation, sa Wanda, na inyo nga pa ning di pa ibog isang receive pa ning wata ani nga time.
ako po, I will be in muli na kuha na pero kasal ni Samsam na I have committed to attend the wedding of Dix.
Nakakatani.
Ha?
Nakakatani kay Sabado, munta.
So, pagkanda na orig wa, aga na budak toy kayong ka mga
Wala ba na doon kung kumuha kay kailangan
Nakakatani.
kinsa may
budgeted naman natin ang problema kay there is a budget, annual budget for that from the NGO.
Diba atong ilan ng December 28, 39?
So, pwede mo pugilin mo matin ka mas mayo na.
Tulungan ni Sundo.
Pero alas 3 pa po ni.
Stress pa man na. Kaya buta ko mapangaw. Kasal sa Samsung 29, una na.
Dungan ka sa Samsung. Every year man eh.
Ang tinitira sa file, schedule na to sa hinan. Ano sa?
Na kagawan palingkod na pa kailan ko sir na? Sikat. Tulog ka po ang solicitation